Hello, Netflix. Me have a bone for pick with you, you know.
So I just finished Squid Game season 2. I know what y'all think. Why y'all just have finished now? Because Netflix released season 1 of Squid Game back in 2021. Season 2 came out in 2024, December the 26th. They are telling me some you have to wait 3 years. 3 bumbleclad year. 3 years. Just for season 2? Just for season 2? Just for season 2? I remember back in the day when Netflix used to release a new series every year. There wasn't a series 1 and not series 2. There wasn't a series 3 and not a series 4. Every year Netflix produced content. Now you tell me some you have to wait 3 years for the next season to come out. Eh? Just for it for just end so. I watch the first episode of season 2 now. I look upon it and I say, I don't really remember what I'm again. I watch the recap now. Still can't remember. You know why? Because a 3 bumbleclad year it come out. 3 years ago it come out. They expect me to remember everything in a season 1 from 3 years ago. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Now me have to go wait how much years now for the next season? Eh? Netflix sort out yourself. Fix it up.